R2O.
The
birdhouse decorating.
the part when you decorate.
So yeah, this is mine so far.
I'm done the other one.
Yeah, Jelena just colored the other one all purple. So she colored the bottom.
Is that the floor?
Yeah.
It's a be a purple floor.
So I'm just keep on painting, keep on painting, keep on painting, 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 keep on painting, 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 painting. No more wood, wood, no more wood, no more wood. Get around there. I'll show you guys in a sec.
I don't wanna just keep putting it dry paint. I wanna dip it in now.
Dip what in?
Orange.
Alright, fine. There, just like that.
Can I
Okay,
paint
don't-
it all?
No, Julian, you gotta put like polka dots in and stuff. Like in mine, I'm not just painting it all purple and stuff. Not gonna be a purple birdhouse. It has to be a rainbowish and stuff. Purple house, birdhouse, birdhouse.
A circle. Now I have to wipe it off. Okay. Okay, can I dip this in the blue now or no? Okay, no.
No.
You want to clean it more good. But can I dip this in?
Okay.
Can I dip this in?
Yeah.
Blue. Hey, what's going on, Blue? Get off, Orange! Get off! Poor
Bless
Orange,
you.
get off!
There. I'm done. The front. So here is the front. Yeah. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to do, you guessed it, the back. Dun, 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 dun. It definitely is the back. So we're just gonna leave that over here to dry. For the paint to dry out. Now, on to the back. Papa, can I have a drink, please? I'm recording. Okay. So, let's Oh, I fell up there. All right, let's do this. Wait. This, oh. Yeah. Okay. The paintbrush is stuck. Yeah, but that's okay. I just put it in there because it's better to use the dirt.
I'm fine.
Thank you. Now to do yellow. You'll see part. Bye bye.
I'm recording. I'm recording, Juliana.
You see part 3 of this. If it's done.
There is gonna be a part 3. Maybe a part 4. So
Maybe
the back.
part 5.
Yeah, maybe. So I thought I would do like. Okay, I totally forgot. Okay, so I thought I would do like a rainbow. Like, so a circle and then starts going out, but I don't know how the colors go in order in the rainbow thing. So I'm just gonna do the circles. Okay. So, we're gonna start off with purple. So, we're gonna start with the circle just like this. Purple circle.
Do you have to color it all or no?
Oh,
Do you have to color it all? But mama, you know which. You have to pick the Barbara.
We're so bright. Oh my goodness. Okay, there is definitely going to be a part 3. So I just did a purple circle. Probably can't see because it's all white. Okay? Bye. We're all purple. Even my dad. Wait. Yeah, he is. Because he doesn't have a head. Oh my goodness. How did it end up like this? We'll see you guys later. Bye.